Are you traveling for business or pleasure?
Just for fun. I'm on vacation.
Where are you headed?
I'm going to San Francisco.
Is this your first time here?
Yes, it is. I've always wanted to visit.
How long are you staying?
Just a few days.
Are you traveling alone?
No, I'm with a couple of friends.
Where are you staying?
At a hotel downtown, near the station.
What places have you visited so far?
I've been to the beach and a few museums.
How do you like it here so far?
I love it. The people are really friendly.
Have you tried any local food?
Yes, I had tacos yesterday. They were amazing.
Do you like sightseeing or just relaxing?
A bit of both. I like to explore but also take it easy.
Do you have any plans for today?
I'm thinking about visiting the old castle.
What do you usually pack for a short trip?
Just the basics, clothes, toiletries, and my camera.
Do you prefer flying or driving when you travel?
Flying. It's faster and more convenient.
How was your flight?
It was okay. A little bumpy, but not too bad.
Are there any places you'd really like to visit?
Yes, I really want to go to Paris one day.
Do you travel often?
Not really. I try to go somewhere once a year.
What's the best trip you've ever taken?
Probably my trip to Thailand. The beaches were incredible.
Do you use a travel app to plan your trips?
Yeah, I use Google Maps and TripAdvisor a lot.
Do you usually plan everything or go with the flow?
I like to plan a little, but I leave room for surprises.
Have you ever had any travel problems?
Once I lost my luggage. That was stressful.